He is also served as Director, Tribal Welfare Director, Information, Publicity and Tourism in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And he has been secretary all throughout to almost all the ministries. He has been a special secretary to CM of NCT Delhi. He has also been Women and Child Development Secretary to Government of Goa in 2018. He was Law Secretary to Government of Goa. He was also Secretary in Corporation around the country. He has functioned as a fruitful bridge in between the center and the state. Actually, IS officers are deputed. It's to bridge the gap in between, or is to bring in a kind of a connection in between the central government and the state government. Which rightly he has been a fruitful bridge. His contributions to Department of Cooperation can never go unnoticed. He has been pursuing the battle with NIC MP Madhya Pradesh, NIC Goa, for putting all our cooperative societies on e-Sarkar platform. This is again an achievement which we have achieved during his tenure. We all know that the registration of societies is taking place online. Online filing of returns, online empanelment of all auditors, then online complaint grievance redressal mechanism. Most of the departmental work will be computerized in a short while because of the initiative that has been taken by Sir. And it is really an achievement and a benchmark achievement in the cooperation history that we have the legacy database of all 5,000 cooperative societies in the state of Goa duly computerized. His contributions to the recent amendment which we have carried out in the year 2020 and 2021, Goa State Cooperative Societies Act 2001, are quite notable. His contributions have really facilitated many of the problems or the hindrances which we were facing while implementing the Goa Cooperative Societies Act, and it will go a long way in improving the cooperative sector in the state of Goa. He has been considerate enough even to all the subordinate staff. If I give an example, he has been a crusader and a follower to see to it that regular promotions are being done. We all owe our promotions to his vision that he wanted all the TPCs to be conducted in time and in a proper manner. Almost for the post of cooperative officers, assistant registrar of cooperative societies, if we see, all the TPCs have been timely and regularly conducted, and we have been instrumental in giving effective promotions to these posts. We have recently done a major scale recruitment in the Department of Tourism, which is almost 1/3 of the departmental sanction strength. All this has been happened during his tenure. If you recollect, there are instances where people have fallen prey to certain mistakes that have happened during recruitment process, and many were facing disciplinary proceedings, and many were also under the scanner of corruption and ACP and all those issues. Having gone through and meticulously observed this recruitment process, it is under his guidance and his supervision, his monitoring, that we have been able to achieve this benchmark achievement, wherein 1/3 of the departmental staff have been recruited during his tenure as Secretary of Corporation. He has always been participating overwhelmingly into the activities of the Department of Cooperation, whether it is Cooperative Week, whether it is any function organized by a cooperative society, whether it is a function that has been organized by National Cooperatives Union of India, State Cooperatives Union of India, NCTC, NABARD, or likewise. He has been also instrumental in opening up dialogues with National Cooperatives Development Corporation, NCTC New Delhi, NCTC Pune Regional Office, then NABARD, then TriFed, National Cooperatives Union of India. Whenever he used to visit Delhi, it was his mandate to pay a visit to these offices, definitely to find out if there could be a better scheme which can be implemented in the state of Goa. With these few words, I present to you Sir C.R. Garg. I request all of you to please welcome him with a big round of applause. Thank you very much. I take this opportunity to welcome once again our beloved Minister for Cooperation. It is his first visit to Sarkar Sangul after he has taken over as Minister for Cooperation. And we are all fortunate and blessed to have him here. And he has agreed to our request to confer this felicitation today. In fact, I am so grateful to you, sir. We look upon you for your guidance, for your splendid vision, and for your dynamic leadership to take the cooperation sector further in the state of Goa. I sincerely thank my teammates in Department of Cooperation who have made it up to this day today. I sincerely thank Chairman of Goa State Cooperative Bank, Chairman of Goa State Cooperative Union for having made it to this day in whatever way possible. It is really a remembrance and we will really miss you, sir. You are our true hero. You are an inspiration in yourself. We will really miss you. We love you is all what we want to say. I welcome everybody, all of you for this felicitation function. And I would request you once again to give a big round of applause to all the dignitaries on the dance. Thank you. Thank you, sir. आमचे सहकार निबंधक जे या कार्यक्रमाचे एक यजमान जावन आसा आणि सगळे मान्यवरांचे हांगसर स्वागत केल्लें आसा. हांव फुडले सुवातेर या आमच्या उतरांक करमळ दिवपाक मागता ल्हान स्वागत करता. सगळ्यांत पयलीं अश्वेता नायक हाजे कडेन मागता की आमचे भौमानिश्ट सहकार मंत्री गोंय राज्य श्री सुभाष शिरोडकर सर हांकां फुलांचो तुरो भेटून त्यांच्या हांगसर स्वागत करता. Thank you. त्याचे फुडले सुवातेर हांव मागता गौरी आसोलकर हाजे कडेन की त्यांनी आमचे सेक्रेटरी श्री शिवकाराम गर्ग सर हांकां फुलांचो तुरो भेटून त्यांचे स्वागत करता. फुडले सुवातेर मागता सिद्धी वळवयकर हाजे कडेन की त्यांनी गोवा स्टेट कोऑपरेटिव्ह बँकेचे चेअरमन श्री उल्हास फळदेसाय हांकां फुलांचो तुरो दिवन त्यांचे स्वागत करता. त्याचे फुडले सुवातेर गौरी पेंगुर्लेकर हाजे कडेन मागता की श्री श्रीकांत नायक गोवा राज्य सहकारी संघाचे चेअरमन हांकां फुलांचो तुरो दिवन त्यांचे स्वागत करता. त्याचे फुडले सुवातेर स्नेहा गांवकर हाजे कडेन मागता की सहकार निबंधक श्री अरविंद कुटकर सर हांकां फुलांचो तुरो दिवन त्यांचे स्वागत करता. सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. Sir, I believe it is a beginning of beautiful journey. We wish you, sir, all the best. And let us start with program with lighting of lamp. I invite other dignitaries on the dais for the lighting of lamp officially to start this function. सगळे मानेस्तांक विनंती आसा की सामूहिक प्रज्वलन करून त्या कार्यक्रमाक सुरवात करूया. सगळ्या मान्यवरांक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आनी मागता की त्यांनी वेदीर आपली जागा घेवपाक. सेक्रेटरी सरांचो गौरव करचे पयलीं हांव आमचे मदीं जे आसात गोवा स्टेट कोऑपरेटिव्ह बँकेचे चेअरमॅन श्री उल्हास फळदेसाय हांचे कडेन त्यांनी हांगासर आपले विचार व्यक्त करचे.
Consider, आजच्या या चीफ गेस्ट ऑफ टुडेज फंक्शन, ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर, very experienced minister, Mr. Subhash Shirodkar, Sri Chokaramkar, Cooperative Secretary, for whom we arranged this felicitation function. Arvind Khudkar, Registrar of Cooperative Government of Goa. Srikant Naik, Management, Chairman, Goa State Cooperative Union. All the directors of the Vice Chairman of Goa State Cooperative Bank, Director Umesh Shirodkar, then Vice Chairman of Sun, Mr. Gams, MD of Goa State Cooperative Union, Goa State Cooperative Bank MD, Mr. Pranankar, all the assistant registrars, all the staff of the registrar office, and all the officers and staff of Goa State Cooperative Union. Today we have gathered here especially to felicitate on the occasion of Hargal of our beloved Cooperative Secretary Mr. Chokaramkar. Mr. Chokaramkar, I have seen him, and as you see, he is a very positive, attitude person, decent personality, and having the aspirations. Because just now our registrar has already given the details of this one, because his enthusiasm in studies till today he is studying, gathering the knowledge. It is a great, what I say, for which we require the aspiration. That aspiration he is having, and yes, whenever we go or approach to him, his attitude is always positive, and his trustworthiness is very important, because always he is to study the matter, he is to ask the questions also sometimes. What is this? What is this? And he was having that studious character. Because of that, today he has acquired so many qualifications while in the service. It is very important, and now he is transferred to New Delhi for his further this one. He is due for retirement in July 2024. I wish him all the best for his further assignment in Delhi, and with this word, again I say very best to Garsa. Thank you very much.
गोवा स्टेट कोऑपरेटिव्ह बँकेच्या रांगेवाले होता आणि फुडले स्वाधीन मागता की गोवा राज्य सहकारी संघाचे चेअरमन श्री श्रीकांत नाईक यांच्याकडे त्यांनी आन्सर आपल्या स्कूलात करतात. Chief guest of today's function, Cooperative Minister, Government of Goa, Mr. Subhash Shirodkar, the special person of today's function, for which all we gather here, is Sri C.R. Garg sir, Cooperative Secretary, ex Goa Administration. My chairman, State Cooperative Bank Chairman Mamullah Faisal, the person who has taken lead to organize this beautiful
function and accommodating me and my union, Mr. Arvind Gupta sir, RCS, all the 600 stars, our bank vice chairman, Bob Kutikar, directors, my vice chairman, Bob Vittal Gawas, my staff, all the staff of the bank, officers, and also the cooperative department. Actually, I don't feel to express, because in my entire life as a cooperator for the last 14 years, I have never met such a top officer of the secretary level. And when first time when I and my chief executive went to meet him in his office, when we entered, he stood up to welcome us, and I was so surprised and nervous, because I thought that IS officer means something like that. But Garg sir, so simple, so humble, and always cooperative. The state of Goa, and especially the cooperators and the union, will remember Mr. Garg as a great person who chaired the meeting of the Cooperative Week celebration. Never in the history of Goa I remember any secretary who chaired the meeting for Cooperative Week. So I think that is the word. And he told RCS, he told all the cooperative department that this year we are going to celebrate the Cooperative Week jointly along with the union and the department, and see that it will continue. Sir, I think the efforts you have made will continue without any interruptions. So, we are here to give him send up because he is not retired. If the case retirement is there, I think then most of then myself would have been unable to stand and speak here, because I feel that we are giving farewell to our family member. You always give the treatment like a family member, and whoever meet him he fell in love with Mr. Garg. So thank you very much, sir. Goa will remember such a great secretary, and I think the people will take motivation from you, and they will also try to help and a good friend with the public. I wish all the best for your future, and God bless you and your family. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
कार्यावळ फुडें वताना आनीक गोंयकारांचो मुद्दम उल्लेख करून दिसता. काही 20 वर्सां पयलीं आजचे जे चीफ गेस्ट आसा श्री सुभाष शिरोडकर सर, तांणी एक वेळ आपल्या एका भाशणांत उल्लेख केलो की खंय तरी आपल्याक खंत आसा किंवा आपली इच्छा आसा की गोंयचे भुरगे IAS ऑफिसर जायना, आनी प्रत्येक भुरग्यान गोंयच्या IAS ऑफिसर जावपा खातीर प्रयत्न करपा जाय, अशी आपली इच्छा आसा, असो आपलो हावेस आसा. आणि आज निश्चितपणे आज त्या हांगासर सहकार मंत्री म्हण आसता आनी त्यांच्या हातान आज एक IAS ऑफिसराचो गौरव हांगासर जाता. हांव फुडें सुवातेर मागता भोवमानेस्त आमचे मुखेल सोयरे श्री सुभाष शिरोडकर सर यांचे कडेन की त्यांनी CR गर्ग हांचो आज हांगासर गौरव करून राखचो. दिसता लागली मागता की सगळ्यांनी या सुवाळ्याच्या टाळ्या देखील स्वागत केलं. तसेच CR गर्ग यांचे अभिनंदन करत आहे. कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट टू सर. May I request Sri CR Garg sir to express his views on this occasion. Sir, please be seated. गोवा राज्य सहकारी संघ हांचो त्यांनी आपले केला की ते ज्यांचो आमचो गौरव करपाक योजिता हांव मागता की चेअरमॅन गोवा राज्य सहकारी संघाचे श्री श्रीकांत नाईक सर जे वेळी त्यांनी CR Garg हांचो आमचो गौरव करपाक I request you, sir, to receive the cooperative banking chairman, Sri Ullas Padesar sir, आणि आम्ही ऑलरेडी त्यांचा गौरव केलो असा म्हणून त्यांना कळत की असे दोन यांचे संस्थेचे प्रतिनिधी आसा गोवा स्टेट कोऑपरेटिव्ह बँक आणि गोवा राज्य सहकारी संघ. तर जो कितें मान दिवपाचो आसा तो गोवा स्टेट कोऑपरेटिव्ह बँकेन तांकां ऑलरेडी दिल्लो आसा. त्या खातीर हांव गोवा राज्य सहकारी बँकेचोय आभारी आसा. May I request sir to express your views on this occasion.
Honorable Minister for Corporation, Government of Goa, Sri Subhash Shirodkar Sahib, our registrar cooperative societies, Sri Arvind Shirodkar Sahib, Chairman Goa State Cooperative Bank, Sri Ullas Padesar Sahib, Chairman Goa State Cooperative Union, Shri Kant Naik Sahib, Deputy Registrars, Assistant Registrars, other members of our cooperation department, ladies and gentlemen, आपको मेरा नमस्कार. सबसे पहले तो एज सेक्रेटरी कोऑपरेशन मैं वेलकम करता हूं हमारे ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर कोऑपरेशन शिरोडकर साहब का कोऑपरेशन डिपार्टमेंट में सर आपका स्वागत है. जब भी नई मिनिस्ट्री बनती है सर तो हम लोग जनरली लोगों से बातचीत करते हैं कि मिनिस्टर साहब कैसे हैं, कैसा नेचर है. आपके बारे में किसी ने भी एक भी आदमी ने कोई ऐसी बात अनुचित नहीं कही, रादर इतना पॉजिटिव आपके बारे में कहा सर, तो मुझे लगता है कि आपके साथ और काम करना चाहिए था. मुझे इतना कोऑपरेशन मिला सर इस डिपार्टमेंट से, इन सभी लोगों से, एकदम जैसे परिवार होता है उस टाइप से हमने काम किया. सिर्फ डिपार्टमेंट से नहीं, जैसे नायक साहब ने बताया, यूनियन से, कोऑपरेटिव बैंक से, जितने भी स्टेक होल्डर्स थे कोऑपरेटिव डिपार्टमेंट के, सबके साथ इतना अच्छा कोऑपरेशन शायद ही किसी को मिला हो जो मुझे मिला. उसके लिए मैं आप सबका बहुत बहुत आभारी हूँ. आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ. आज कितना बड़ा प्रोग्राम आप लोगों ने ऑर्गेनाइज किया, शायद इतना बड़ा प्रोग्राम शायद ही किसी के लिए ऑर्गेनाइज किया होगा, जब मैंने तो एटलीस्ट नहीं देखा। उसके लिए भी मैं आप सबका बहुत बहुत आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ। मेरे पूरे परिवार की तरफ से आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल, गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल। थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir.
आणि पहिले स्वागत ज्यांना मी फादर ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट किंवा ज्यांच्या मार्गदर्शनाखाला जी खाती चलतात असे आमचे तुमकां लाभलेले सहकार मंत्री श्री सुभाष शिरोडकर सर हांकां हांव विनंती करीन की ते यांच्या वेळार आपले मदत करचे.
Just by a few events, what made me to interact with Mr. Garg, I was a highly respected IS officer. I was working for the state of Goa for the last 3 years, 4 years. Mr. Garg, we got Mr. RCS, Mr. Kutkar, then we got Srikanth Naik, the president of SUN, and the chairman of Goa State Cooperative Bank. All the respected luminaries from the cooperative sector were sitting in front of me. All the staff members of SUN as well as Goa State and our RCS office. Dear friends, I would say this is one of the beautiful evening for me. For the simple reason, I remember in 1984 I entered into politics. Of course, before that I was there as a Sarpanch of Pillai in 1978, which then converted and got into assembly. So 1984 onwards till today, of course with a small gap of 10 years, I always say small gap of 10 years. In this entire tenure of almost 36 to 38 years, I never saw an IS officer getting felicitated. This was the first time. I'm saying an IS officer getting felicitated. And that went my hands. It's really very pleasanting for me. And when I participated in this event, in this beautiful evening, I remember two of the officers with whom I was associated. We worked together. One was Mr. Karapurkar, the director of RD. Still I remember. There was another Karapurkar who was working with as a director for information. And I still remember there was one video when I was Sarpanch. There was one video by Agrawal, India Agrawal, and from video's position, he came to the up to the level of collectorate, and then worked as a collector for the state of Goa. I still remember. You will remember, Mr. Garg, even if he leaves Goa and joins Delhi services, but still you will remember. Because Mr. Garg, what I have observed now in the last couple of months, Mr. Garg has loved this place. He loved the people working in the Department of RCS. He loved the work. Work culture has been with him for the last so many years. And all the more, he was very affectionate. Normally you won't find this in a higher hierarchy of bureaucracy. What I observe now that he was a person who has been always positive and so simple. I was very keenly listening to RCS when he was reading biodata of Mr. Garg. And that, of course, gives impression. And it is the truth, it is reality. That he is very soft spoken. I had only hardly 1 month interaction with him. I think we met just once or twice, but within that period I could make out that Goa is building a nice officer. No doubt, as he said, you would like to continue over here. But then things are in Delhi. But still, I would say wish you all the best. Whether it's here in Goa or in Delhi, finally you serve the nation. जब आपके पास ये फीलिंग रहता है ना, तो whatever place you go, you always, I tell you, I was out of politics for 10 years. But even those 10 years I enjoyed because I was working for the state, I was working for my children, I was working for my institutes. I enjoyed it. I never felt that I'm away from work. So here in this small evening, we should always remember, and whatever position we may be LDC, we may be UDC, we may be your external registrar or auditors, whatever it may be. You see, we should try to deliver things in a very positive manner. In a very positive manner. So that people should remember, हमें क्या करना है, हमको अपने मिलता है, केली कट गई, बुद्धि दायित्व दायित्व कट गई सुनता है. See, that sort of an expression should not be there. Here I find quite a different environment. The people have enjoyed, and Mr. Garg was very sentimental. Very sentimental. Rarely an officer would not get be sentimental, unless he is that affectionate. He loved the place. He loved the people. He loved the system of work. And on the whole, he has got that out, I should say, he won't forget it. The support that you gave to him, the approach that we had towards him in the last almost 4 years. This is what we call work. जहाँ आप रहते हैं, जहाँ आप काम करते हैं, it should be a living place, like. It's not just home is